If you'd like to learn how to change the icon for a Salesforce app, then hang around for the next 60 seconds and I'll show you how. The first thing you need to do is enter the setup area by clicking on the gear icon, going setup. Then we're going to search for the app manager. Now I'm going to choose the sales app as the app to change the icon on. We want the Lightning version because that's what I'm working in. And then I'll say edit. So we're going to work here on the app details and branding. And then we're going to change the image. So I'm going to upload. And press save. And then if I go back to the sales app and view it, and now we can see that icon has been changed.